Good morning. Thank you for tuning in to your daily operations weather brief for Tuesday, January 28th. Seeing some mostly cloudy skies out there with temperatures into the upper 30s. We do anticipate partly to mostly cloudy skies with some seasonable temperatures for the next couple of days. We have high pressure moving in, then we'll see some rain return to the area as we go into the beginning of this weekend. Taking a look at the surface analysis across the region. We have some high pressure currently across the plains. That's going to continue to build eastward as we go throughout today and the next day or two, and it's going to then build across the northeastern United States, giving us some dry and fairly seasonable weather under partly to mostly cloudy skies, and that'll be really just the main weather story for the week. Pretty benign weather expected until we get into Friday night. Taking a look at our current weather as of 8 a.m. Just seeing a few clouds off the coast near 3,000 feet, otherwise broken around 5,500 elsewhere. Winds are from azimuth 310 at around 7 knots, temperature of 39 degrees. Take a quick look at our satellite this morning. This is an infrared satellite here. We do have abundant cloudiness across the mid-Atlantic, mostly around that 5,000 foot level, and that does look like it's going to remain the case throughout the day. These clouds may become scattered at times as we go toward the middle of the day. You see there is a little bit of a clearing starting to move towards our area across the portions of Delmarva, but still expected to be scattered to broken at that 5,000 foot level as we go into the rest of today and into this evening as well. For today, going to be seeing a fairly seasonable high of around 47 degrees. Winds are going to increase a bit from the northwest when we get into the late morning hours and afternoon, increasing to 10 to 15 knots and gusty. Not expecting a wind advisory today, but can't rule out a brief wind gust up to 25 knots early this afternoon. As we go into this evening, winds are going to die down a bit, becoming 5 to 10 knots from the northwest for the overnight hours into mid-morning Wednesday, and we are expecting a fairly seasonable low tomorrow morning of around 30 degrees. Taking a look at our terminal forecast for today, just going to be seeing that scattered to broken cloud deck between 4,000 and 5,000 feet throughout much of the day today and into this evening. After midnight tonight, we should be seeing those clouds decrease a bit, becoming few to scattered at 3,000, and then expecting clouds to be few at 3,000 feet, few at 25,000 feet by mid-morning Wednesday. Seeing tides a little bit higher along the Delmarva Atlantic coast at 1/2 foot above normal. For tomorrow, going to be looking fairly similar to today, partly to mostly cloudy and seasonable with a high of 45. Wednesday night, partly cloudy and seasonable, a little bit chillier with a low of 27. And then Thursday, same thing as we are expecting the next couple of days, just mostly cloudy and seasonable with high of 45. We are expecting a little bit of a short wave to come down late Thursday. That could spark off a very slight chance of sprinkle or flurry, but that looks like only around 10% or less of seeing that at this time. That'll do it for your daily operations weather brief. We'll be back at 10 a.m. for your full weather briefing and extended outlook. Have a great day.